Are you still logging into Binance with just a password? In this video, I'll show you how to add a passkey on Binance step by step and significantly improve the security of your crypto account. First, open the Binance app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the yellow icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then, tap on your profile name to open account settings. From the available options, select Security. Inside the Security section, many users will see a message saying, quote, "Account at risk," recommending additional protection. Binance strongly suggests adding a passkey, but even if you don't see this warning, you can still manually tap on the option called Passkey, biometric. On the screen, Binance explains the main benefits of passkeys. You can log in without a password, the passkey works across all of your devices, and it helps keep your crypto assets safer by protecting your account from phishing and password leaks. A passkey uses biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or Face ID, instead of traditional passwords. To continue, tap the Add Passkey button. Binance will first ask you to verify your identity. Enter the verification code that is sent to your email address to confirm it's really you. After entering the code, the passkey is automatically created. On the next screen, you may see options to save the passkey on another device or via email, but in most cases, Binance will detect your current device. Simply tap Continue to proceed. You will then be asked to confirm using fingerprint, Face ID, or another authentication method supported by your device. Once this step is completed, your passkey is successfully created and linked to your Binance account. You may also see an option to enable passkey verification for important scenarios, such as withdrawals or sensitive account changes. This option is available if your account balance exceeds $100 in value and provides an extra layer of protection. Your Binance account is now protected with a passkey, making it faster to log in and much more secure. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical crypto and security tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.